Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize student loan refinancing to free investing cash, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current student loans. Gather all relevant loan information, including current interest rates and balances. Research potential refinancing lenders to find the best options available. Check your credit score to understand your standing. Evaluate your income and monthly expenses to determine how much you can afford to pay. Make a list of lenders that offer competitive rates and favorable terms. Prepare your documentation, including proof of income and any outstanding debts. Apply online with your chosen lender, providing all required information. Review the loan offers you receive carefully. Compare interest rates, loan terms, and monthly payments. Consider any fees associated with refinancing, such as origination fees. Select the loan offer that best fits your financial situation. Once you decide, accept the loan offer. The lender will then initiate the loan payoff process for your existing student loans. Stay in communication with your new lender throughout the process. Begin making payments according to the new loan terms once final approval is received. With your student loans refinanced, redirect the funds freed up into investment opportunities. Monitor your investments regularly to ensure they are aligning with your financial goals. Continuously educate yourself on investment strategies to maximize your returns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.